Tonkatsu is a Japanese food that consists of a breaded, deep-fried pork cutlet. Japanese pork katsu curry consists of a crispy pork cutlet cut into long strips and served with thick, flavoursome Japanese curry sauce and a side of rice. And it's great fun to make. Lay out 200 grams of pork cutlet and season with half a teaspoon of salt on both sides. Slice the pork almost in half along the centre. Lay out a shiso leaf and place a cheese slice on top. Then slip it into the centre of your pork steak. Coat the steak in flour, making sure to cover both sides. Then dip it into whisked egg. And now coat it completely in breadcrumbs. Now for a thicker coating, repeat the egg and breadcrumb steps again. Warm 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pot. Throw in 150 grams of sliced onion and stir using chopsticks. When softened, pour in 300 ml of water, 100 grams of potato and 100 grams of carrot. Stir and soften, then add 100 grams of curry cubes to provide the katsu flavour. Stir the mixture until the curry is totally dissolved. Now cook the pork in a deep pan of oil. Let it cook for a few minutes, then turn over halfway through to make sure both sides are cooked and the meat inside is fully done. Once removed from the heat, carefully slice your pork into smaller pieces. Now you can serve up with some rice. And finally, portion out your homemade katsu sauce. All you need to do now is grab a set of chopsticks and enjoy.